Good morning. This is your offshore weather forecast for Thursday, May 18th, off the coast of Maine. Increasing winds and wave heights of 4 to 6 feet due to a low pressure system moving in from the west, and a small craft advisory is in effect. A chance of thunderstorms by late afternoon or early evening. Stay safe. Are you ready to create your own offshore weather forecast video? Join me in the MLTI Student Conference in May. We'll start with the basics of wave video and end with your own creative videos with your enhanced video production skills.